India is the second largest manufacturer of bricks across the globe. No wonder, this very building material holds so much of importance in the Indian architecture. India alone produces over 10% of the brick. This industry is surely growing as the demand for bricks never declines due to the fast economic growth, urbanization, and prosperity. This blog aims to explain how this legendary building material bricks are made. Yes, let us simplify it for you: the brick making process in India. 1. Preparation of raw materials. In this first stage, the soil is mined in steps and then laid on a level ground where it is cleaned of all sorts of impurities, like vegetation matter, stones. After this, the soil is mixed with other material to prepare good brick earth. Post raw materials are mixed, it is tempered in a pug mill by thoroughly breaking, watering and kneading it. Shaping or molding. Initially, molds used for shaping bricks were made of wood, and the makers used sand to ensure the bricks didn't stick to the molds. The most common methods for shaping or molding bricks are hand molding and machine molding. Hand molding: the template is clay injected into a mold in such manner that it fills in all the corners. Extra clay is removed using a frame with wire or with the wooden strike. Once proper shape is ready, the mold is lifted and what remains on the ground is raw brick. Machine molding: this method is used where large numbers of bricks are manufactured. Essentially, there are two different types of machines used for molding bricks. Plastic clay machines: here the clay is in a plastic state and it is forced into rectangular openings of a size which is equal to the length and breadth of the bricks. Further, these are cut into strips of a similar width of the bricks with the help of wires and frames. Dry clay machines: here dry clay is condensed to powder which is filled into molds by the help of machines. These are then exposed to high pressure to form hard and well-shaped bricks. 3. Drying is one of the most important steps in the brick making process. Thinking, why are bricks dried? The main reason is to avoid cracks. It is important to understand that damp bricks, if taken directly for burning, result in cracking. Drying bricks ensure that inadequate moisture is removed before the burning process. Usually, drying is done by simply placing the bricks in sheds which have open sides. This ensures free air circulation and protection from extreme weather conditions. 4. Firing or burning. After drying, the bricks are fired to high temperatures in furnaces. Burning is another very important step in the brick making process. This is a field kiln which is built from the green bricks which would be fired. Clamps vary in size and shape and are carefully oriented with respect to the direction of the wind. Once a clamp constructed and laid out, it needs to be insulated. The process of firing takes place in several steps. The first step is preheating or water smoking, which removes the leftover water from the drying process. After this process comes the stage of firing. Here, clay bricks vitrify through a chemical process. Temperatures in the clamp must remain constant during this stage to complete vitrification. Cooling stage is the final one. Here the temperature needs to be slow and steady. Final word. The building construction in India is expected to grow at a rate of 6.6% from 2005 to 2030. Today, traditional techniques are used to produce bricks, and the process involves the use of inefficient methods and manual labor. The manufacturing process of bricks is dependent on seasons, as the process of drying and firing are still carried out under open air.